Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my 50-liter FENGDONG backpack. This is an amazing travel slash hiking slash active backpack. One of my favorite features is this wet pack that it has. Maybe you have dirty clothes, or maybe you just have something that's has condensation on it. You can stick them in here and you won't get water on everything else. And this pocket is really easy to just wipe out with a rag once you're done. You also have this weight strap, so it will distribute the weight onto your legs and not so much onto your back. If you like to be really organized, this backpack has tons of compartments. Also a shoe compartment at the bottom of this backpack that is really big. It's separated from all of the other things inside the backpack, and you could definitely fit at least 2 pairs of shoes. It's a big space. And you also have the option to expand the backpack. So there is a zipper that goes all the way around, giving you extra inches of space. So if you are in the market for an amazing travel backpack that's gonna have all of the compartments and organization you need, and even some extra features that most backpacks don't have, check out this FENGDONG 50-liter travel backpack. I highly recommend it. It is an amazing backpack, but that's just my point of view.